Alright, we got the whole front deal done. All of the bracing's in there now. So now we're working on the back. So I'll be back. Alright, I've gotten quite a bit done, so I tried to take another time lapse. We'll see how it turns out, but basically just got these back bars in. I just barely got this bar right here tacked up. There's going to be one more on this side just mirroring it, and this is where the shocks will mount to. So the rear shocks will have a mount coming up off right here. So gonna keep working. I'll probably throw a time lapse on and try to get the last of these bars done today. We'll see how long it takes me though. Might have to push it till tomorrow, and then I'm gonna work on welding the full chassis all the way up at that point. So I'll be back. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. So got the big majority of these done back here. So not much to say really, aside from I guess we'll see you back tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing the rest of the bars. So the plans kind of call for some bars to go from here to here, but I want to try to make this have like a rear trunk area. So I'll kind of show you how the plans go. So you can kind of see on the plans, has like all these bars kind of going down and in the way. I don't know, that might be enough area up there to have a small storage area or something, but I want to incorporate something back there so that I can use this buggy as like a, I don't know, throw a cooler back there or food or tents and stuff if we're going to go camping. So We'll see how I end up working that out tomorrow, but till then, I think that's where I'm going to stop for the end, for this, for the back of the cage at least. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to structure it yet to give myself some trunk space and stuff like that back here, so probably gonna just leave it like that, fully weld the cage now, and then after I put the motor in and stuff and see how much room I have, I'll finish the bracing and stuff back here. So all right, well, I'm gonna throw it on time lapse and then get this thing welded up. Well, I've been welding for about an hour now. Yeah, probably 30-45 minutes, but feels like I've hardly even dented it. Anyways, I'm gonna have to wheel this thing inside and finish welding it inside, because that sun keeps auto tinting my welding helmet, so I can't see where I'm welding very well, because it'll just randomly auto tint right before I start a bead. So yeah, probably gonna wheel this sucker inside, see how much more I can get done. This is gonna take much longer than I thought it was initially. I'd probably only maybe at best a 1/10 of the way done. So we'll be back. All right, I'm about 75% done welding everything. I gotta take a break for some family stuff and then probably finish it either tonight or this week. But I've been trying to jump around where I was welding, so you'll see it in the time lapse, but I'll like do a weld here and then I'll go do one over in that corner and one in that corner and one back over here, trying to spread the heat around, I guess, because I heard that if you weld just kind of, if you just start on one pipe and just weld it all and then move over to the other side and weld it all, it can really tweak the stuff. So originally I started trying to kind of weld stuff more on that side to see if I could pull the frame that way, because it's a little tweaked over to the right a teeny bit by a couple degrees. And I think there's just enough bracing and stuff in here and it's all tacked well enough that it didn't really help pull it at all. So oh well there. But so yeah, I'll probably call this video right here, or I might maybe I'll do another small time lapse finishing it out. But either way, we're getting pretty close. The next videos you'll see will probably be mounting the seats, making the seat brackets, and then working on all of the suspension bits. And then after that, I'll probably work on the body and the paneling and stuff, try to get all that in. And then we'll move forward with mounting the motor at that point. So thanks for watching. All right, excuse me, all done, I believe. So the whole cage should be welded. Probably missed some spots, but I'll catch those over time and just finish them as they come. So, but I believe everything is done for the most part. Probably gonna call it this video, or call it right now on this video. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve the video, my fabrication skills, etc. Thanks.